Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by ds. Next, we have sy, ys. They are degrees number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dy over dx. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by s. Next we do first the derivative of s. So we have number 1, so we just have only v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one we change by this one. Y we change by vs. Next we simplify s for the both sides in here. Next we put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by v minus 1. Because this one gone here, we have negative 1 plus v. Later that we divide both sides by negative v minus 1. That's why negative and negative they simplified. So v I will put on the right. So we can do about common denominator. V multiplied by v and negative number 1. So negative with v square, we have negative v square in here. Negative, negative, we have positive, so v plus v, we have 2v. So this one I will put on the left, ds, and s will put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So I will concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides and we have negative 2v plus 2. And this one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1. With this one we have 2v. So we see that this is about v minus 1. This one that is about negative 2v plus 2. To create about v minus 1, we divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by u. V minus 1 dv we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. About this one in here, that is about ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Next, we have the condition. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to negative number 2. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about 0. We cannot put number 0 in here, here, and here. So this one, that should be about invalid. And now we keep the same of this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.